welcome to Biology, the scientific study of life. The green world hypothesis. With so many primary consumers, herbivores, feeding on plants, how can we explain why most terrestrial ecosystems are actually quite green, boasting large standing crops of vegetation? According to the green world hypothesis, terrestrial herbivores consume relatively little plant biomass because they are held in check by a variety of factors, including predators, parasites, and disease. Just how green is our green world? A total of approximately 83 by 10 to the power 10 metric tons of carbon are stored in the plant biomass of terrestrial ecosystems, and the global rate of terrestrial primary production is about 3 by 10 to the power 10 metric tons of plant biomass per year. In a global scale, herbivores annually consume less than 17% of the total net primary production by plants. Most of the rest is eventually consumed by detritivores. Those overall herbivores represent only a minor nuisance to plants. Of course, some herbivores have the potential to completely strip local vegetation over the short term. An example is the ability of exploding exploding gypsy moth populations to occasionally defoliate areas of forest in the eastern United States. Such expansions only heighten our curiosity about why Earth is so green. First one, the green world hypothesis proposes several factors that keep herbivores in check. 1. Plants have defenses against herbivores. These defenses include spines and nexus chemicals such as those described in chapter 39. 2. Nutrients, not energy supply, usually limit herbivores. Animals need certain nutrients such as organic nitrogen, protein that plants tend to supply in relatively small amounts. Even in a world of plentiful green energy, the growth and reproduction of many herbivores are limited by availability of essential nutrients. 4. 3. Abiotic factors limit herbivores. Unfavorable seasonal changes in temperature and moisture are examples of abiotic factors that can set a carrying capacity for herbivores in a particular environment for far below the number that would strip vegetation there. 4. Intra-specific competition can limit herbivore numbers. Territorial behavior and other consequences of competition may maintain herbivores population densities below that or below what the vegetation could feed. Interspecific interactions keep herbivore densities in check. The green world hypothesis postulates that predators, parasites, and disease are the most important factors limiting the growth of herbivore populations. This applies the top-down model of community structure, which we discussed.